Hello Buckingham students, it's me again, Mr. Payne. I'm really excited to share with you what we're going to work on this week. We're going to work on our frisbee throwing skills. And I know not everybody will have a frisbee at home, so I'm going to show you a quick little instructional video on how to make your own frisbee, okay? So if you have your own frisbee at home, that's great. You can use the actual frisbee. But if you don't, which is fine, here is how you are going to make your frisbee. First of all, you're going to need 2 paper plates. Got some paper plates just like these, okay? And we're going to use socks again. The socks are going to be kind of our way to weigh the frisbees down. So you're just going to take the socks. You're going to put them on top of the plate, just like so. And then you're going to take the other paper plate and you are going to put it on top, kind of sealing it shut, just like that. All right. And then you're going to take a stapler and you are going to staple that paper plate shut. Maybe using, I don't know, 4 staples. We'll see how 4 makes it look. Now for our younger students out there, if you need help from an adult, please make sure to get help from an adult. Sometimes the stapler can be a little dangerous if you get your fingers stuck in there, so be careful. Alright, that was 3. And let's go 4. And we'll go one more. We're going to give it 5. And 5. Alright, boys and girls, I have just made my own homemade frisbee. Alright, so that was 1 paper plate with 2 socks on top. And I take my other paper plate and I put it on top and I just staple the sides. And I just used 5 staples. And now I have, oh, looks like I'm going to need another staple. It almost came out. I'm going to do one more. There we go, that's better. And now I have my very own homemade frisbee, all right? So make sure if you don't have one at home, you make sure that you try and make your own, all right? I hope everybody has a great week, and I hope you enjoy the activity. We'll see you. Bye.